Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to watch. So we have some stamps here to sort out. It is stamps from Singapore. As you all know, or maybe some of you would know that Singapore was a part of the Commonwealth years ago. Some of their old stamps are included in the Malaya, as I can see here. See one. Malaya, like it includes Malaysia. See, this one is a Malayan stamp. It says Singapore Malaya, if you don't see it. So the old stamps of Singapore have Malaya included in it, and I can read the. I think in 1966, I think the year. So as you can see, it's Singapore is like a young country. It was under the Commonwealth years and years and years. I don't know, maybe probably more than 70 years or so. Or yeah. So this one is a 10-cent one, very nice one. Says total depends. Alright, nice one. And I like birds and stamps as well. We can see this is a 1965 one. I like also like a stamp with constellations, with full constellations, in which you can see the dates and even the time it was cancelled, and of course where it was cancelled. As we can see, it's from Singapore. 50 cent. Nice one. So it's another one. Miru Hangan. I don't know what it looks like. It is a drum or something, or something to catch. Use something in catching fish. And we also have fish actually, as you can see. And yeah, this one. See, May 21. The year is cut off, but certainly old one too. And it have a poll. Says 10th anniversary of ASEAN, Singapore. Nice. Some stamps, they have themes of like commemoration of like that one, ASEAN anniversary. Some the founding of the country. So productivity, movement, good human relations. So that's nice. And this one, Singapore, December 2. The year is not there, but it is a nice one. Work for prosperity. Yes, absolutely. That's the right words. Work for prosperity. Nice one. 1971. See, it's an old one. Very old one. Oh, this one is 1982. May 2, 1982, Singapore. Changi Airport. A very busy airport, Changi. I think it's one of the lovely airports in Asia. See, 75 cents. And this one, it's a boat, an old boat. I think it's a Chinese boat, I think. This one catch my eye. It's I don't know the theme in this one. You have a swan and rocks and the bridge. It's 10 cent. This one. I don't know what this one is. The Lok Ayer market is a market, probably a famous market in Singapore. See, another ship. This one is a nice one, Just London 1900 Singapore. I'm not sure what this one depicts. Maybe it's the founding of Singapore, or the start of the Commonwealth. Oh, it's about letterings on the edge. It says Singapore 150th anniversary. Oh, 1819 to 1969, I think. Wow. So it's 1819. They were under the Commonwealth since 1819. See, a nice depiction of the birds. There's another old one, Singapore Malaya. So it's Queen Elizabeth in the younger days, probably 1960s. And this one is 1967. APRO ASEAN Housing Congress. Nice. Anything else? This is another one, Total Defense. It's like it's a family or something, I'm not sure. Total Defense. Singapore. Oh, 1990, I think 96 or 66, I'm not sure. 75 cents. This one, another nice team power. It's 1 cent. See this one, another fish, May 2090. It was cut off, but it's somewhere in the 1960s. This one. So this one is 1985, November 20, $1 one. This is nice one too. 1969, View of Singapore Waterfront, 1846 to 69. 1848 to 49. Nice. Another boat. Anything else interesting here? Oh, yep. Okay, National Day. Okay, this is a National Day. State of Singapore in 1960. June 3, 1960. National Day of State of Singapore. I think it's not used as well, so yeah, it's mint and it is unhinged, what we call in the stamp conditions, mint hinge or unhinged. See, B. What's this one? People's Association, 25th anniversary, 1960 to 1985. Nice one. What's this one? Singapore Financial Center. You get the yen, the Singapore dollar, or the dollar, the pound, and the Dutch mark, and the francs. It's 35 cents. And look at the design here. It's like a traditional dance. Okay, this one. London, 1980 or 1900. So you see, this one is an old stamp of Singapore, Malaya, Singapore, and it's a $2. $2. It says $2. And that is King George VI. It's like a commemoration of the founding of Singapore, I think. Malaya, Singapore. Malaya, comprises of like Malaysia and some other Commonwealth, like of course Singapore, Sarawak, and other places. Since 1985, $1 one. Anything else interesting? Oh, this one. I think this is not. Oh, it's an ASEAN submarine cable network. Philippines Singapore cable. Cable Singapore and Philippines. So what is that? The underwater cable. They used to connect countries, or like internets and phone lines. Nice. 1973. CF game Singapore. Oh, it's a lot of CF games. It's 1973. So athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, cycling, hockey, judo, and a lot more. Nice. And this one, it's International Youth Year 1985. Nice, 10 cent. 1985. Oh, see, I like coins. I like coins. I like stamps with cancellation like this. See, well, I think it's 1988 or 1968. Not that clear. And this is another old one. See, Queen Elizabeth. It's 1959. Old one. State of Singapore. Nice. Okay, what else? This one. It looks nice. Anything else interesting? Oh, this one. Okay. National Day. State of Singapore. June 3rd, 1961. Wow. Very old stamp. Anything else? Oh, yep. Another State of Singapore. And I think it's not. It is. It's already been hinged. So it's already been used. Anything else? Oh, okay. We have this one again. Using this one, but it's a different. It's different in there. Queen. What is this? It says Queen Elizabeth walk. Queen Elizabeth walk, circa 1905. So it's Queen Elizabeth walk, circa 1905, 1910. Okay, Queen Elizabeth. Elizabeth the First, not Elizabeth the Second, because it's 1905 to 1910. Queen Elizabeth the First, not not Elizabeth the Second. Queen Elizabeth the Second. Okay, anything else interesting? Oh, Boy Scout. It's the Boy Scout. Yep, 75th anniversary of the World Scouting. 1982. 1982, yes. I was a Boy Scout. I was a Cub Scout and a Boy Scout. Yeah, we did campings and all those. Learned how to make tents and fires, and and we had fun doing those stuff, campings. Yeah, we have to. It's good having experienced those scouting. Learn a lot of things. So what's this one? Government meeting 1971. So Commonwealth. Okay, Commonwealth. Head of government meeting in 1971 in Singapore. As you can see, the Commonwealth flags. All those are Commonwealths, which it's under British rule. We can see Canada, Australia, and New Zealand, of course, and Malaysia, Singapore, among others. It's a lot of it actually. So, and now they're all pre, I guess. Well, I don't know the influence of UK nowadays in all those countries, but yeah. So Singapore, 1959 again. Yep, there you go. Anything else interesting? Oh, ASEAN trade. Yep, Singapore to Asian unity, which always should be united in helping each other. So it's a 1961, November 28, 1961. Nothing. There's a lot of it. Okay. What's this one? Oh. NTUC 25th anniversary Singapore. I don't know what that one is. Looks like they're engineers or architects. Oh, I see a beautiful. It's a beautiful team. Nice one. Anything else here? What's this one? Centenary of Post Office Savings Bank. Okay. 1877 to, of course, 1977. Nice. Anything else interesting? What's this one? Oh. Alright. Oh, okay. Kite flying. When we were young, yeah, we always do that. Have our kites flying in the rice fields. Singapore, yep, $1. Doesn't say which or what's the theme of this. It's some building. And what else? Oh, I see a ship from, this is from 1975, May 19. I think it's a fishing ship. Nice. Okay. Says built a Biguru Singapore, in which they did. It's very good. Okay. I don't see anything else that oh yep. Okay. What anniversary? Okay, anniversary Republic of Singapore. It is from 1960. I see the cancellation 1966. I think. Nice one. Oh, this is a nice one too. Fishing ship. So yeah, I don't see anything else interesting. So here we go. We got some. We got to see some of the stamps from Singapore from mostly 60s and 70s. Some, well, it's mostly 60s actually, 60s and 70s, I guess. So, yeah. So I hope you like the stamps that I've shown, and please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. I have lots and lots of stamps and coins to share as well. Thank you. I hope you all have a very good day.